Ways to add keyframes in Edit, Fusion, and Color pages in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel and click on Open FX. Drag Gaussian blur effect into your video and timeline. With your video selected, open up Inspector panel and click on Effects tab. Set strength to 0 and click on diamond button next to it to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and increase strength to add another keyframe. To smoothen the animation, click on these two buttons. Select Keyframes and click on Ease button to smoothen it. That's how you can add keyframes in Edit page. Let's disable this effect and add keyframes in Fusion page. Move the playhead above your video and go to Fusion page. Select Media in Node, press Shift plus space, search for Gaussian blur, and add it. Select Gaussian blur node and move the playhead to the start. Click on diamond button next to strength, and set it to 0 to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and increase strength to add another keyframe. To smoothen the animation, open up Spline panel and check Gaussian blur checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to the keyframes, and drag the handles if you want. Now let's remove Gaussian blur node and go to the color page. From Effects panel, drag Gaussian blur into the node. At the bottom, open up Keyframes tab. Move the playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to corrector. Right-click in the timeline area, choose Add Dynamic Keyframe, and set strength to 0 to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and increase strength to add another keyframe.